Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to buy Coldstack within your Metamask wallet. First of all, you're going to click the little hamburger icon in the top left corner. Then go to your browser, type in app.uniswap.org. And then this screen should pop up. Then you're going to click the pink Select a Token button. Copy and paste the contract address from CoinMarketCap or the official Coldstack Telegram. Or you can just type in CLS and it should pop up that way. And you're going to import the token. Now it should plug into the swap. You're going to see a little gear in the right corner. The devs recommend that you put 5% or higher slippage to make sure your transaction goes through. Then you're going to adjust the amount that you'd like to swap for it, for Ethereum. Now it says no liquidity. You got to push that button to swap it back to V2 because V3 doesn't work. It's not supported right now. Then you click the pink swap button. After that, you're going to see an overview. Click that. Then click to confirm your gas. You can push the edit button to see what speeds it is and how much gas it's going to be for each speed. You can push the slow or average or fast. You can save money with the slow. I prefer the average because then it comes faster. Now your transaction submitted and your Coldstack should hit your wallet momentarily. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys. Goodbye.